PSJA ISD's police department has grown significantly in the district since its initial start in 2020. With a team now consisting of over 23 officers and 18 patrol units, the department continues to add, on average, 5 or more officers each year in efforts to monitor and promote safety and security district-wide.
We're all on the same page when it comes to safety and security. We've been able to put together a plan that not only complies with the state requirements, but I think goes beyond to ensure that we have all the utmost safety measures in place thanks to the support of the school board. We have also added 5 more police officers to our department.
Along with this year's 5 new police hires come 2 additional recruits to the team. Meet Tillin and Amigo.
We were able to purchase 2 canines. One is going to be focused on narcotics, and the other one's going to be focused on explosives. Canine officer Amigo will be our narcotics canine, and then Tillin, our canine for explosive, he'll be certified on 10 odors of explosives, varying from gunpowder to C4, just depending on what the issue is. The nose that they have as a canine really helps out with deterrence, getting ahead, and prevention of bringing in the narcotics into our facilities, bringing in weapons or any type of large incendiary devices to our campuses that interrupt our education process or put our staff and students in danger.
Made possible by local Canine Academy, Canines in Action out of Edinburgh, Texas, this dynamic duo, much like their human counterparts, are no strangers to the rigorous training our officers experience, continuously pushing their abilities beyond their maximum effort.
It was important that I kept them local because I wanted to have that constant training. It's not just about getting the certification and that's it. They're required to have a certain amount of training per month to maintain that sharp nose and to know what they're looking for.
Stern in appearance, Amigo and Tillin are still quite the sociable pair, easily taking to the kindness of students and staff.
These canine officers, just like our officers, are not going to be there just for enforcement. We're going to embed them with the community of each campus. They're great dogs. You can go up to them and pet one. You know, if we have a student in crisis, this may be the avenue that may calm that person down. I want to send that message out to the parents that just because our district purchased these dogs doesn't mean that we're going to be focused on punishing our students. That's not the case. We want to maintain that safety and security. We want to be able to have our own resources available and use them not just in enforcement, but as an educator as well.
Making their way across PSJA schools district-wide, Canine Amigo and Tillin serve as one of several preventative measures taken by the PSJA ISD Police Department for early detection. Adding to the enhanced safety and security investments toward our PSJA schools, police dogs Amigo and Tillin will assist PSJA ISD police officers in performing routine security sweeps, presentations for Red Ribbon Week, and in providing safe campuses and facilities for all students, staff, and families. If you happen to see them on campus, don't be alarmed. Come up and say hello.